In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat on monday.com. If you've just started using monday.com or are looking to enhance your team's communication, you've come to the right place. First, head over to the monday.com website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option prominently positioned in the upper right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you'll have two options. You can sign in using Google or manually enter your email address. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. If you opt for signing in with Google, simply select the email account you wish to use from the list provided. After you've logged in, it's time to navigate to the board you want to work with. Each board is designed to manage and organize different aspects of your projects. Click on the board that's relevant to the communication you wish to have. Once you're within the board, you'll see various items or tasks laid out in a list. Find and open the specific item or board you'd like to discuss. Upon opening the item, you'll notice an update section appearing on the right side of your screen. This is essentially where all the communication happens. You can chat, comment, react to your teammates' messages, and even mention them directly to get their attention. For starting a conversation, click on the text box, which is your gateway to engaging with your team. Write down your message clearly so it conveys the intended message without any ambiguity. Once your message is crafted, you have two options. Press the Enter key on your keyboard or click on the Update button to post your message. This will ensure that your input reaches everyone who has access to this board, making it an effective way to keep everyone in the loop. Your team members, once they receive your message, can interact with it in various ways. They can click on the like button if they agree or resonate with your message, or they may choose to reply directly to foster further discussion. This interactive element is crucial for maintaining clear and open channels of communication within your team. And there you have it, a straightforward way to utilize chat on monday.com to boost your team's collaborative efforts. Whether you're managing tasks, discussing progress, or sharing feedback, this tool is indispensable. Dive right in and make the most of monday.com's efficient communication features to keep your team connected and productive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.